we're going to add that to x plus 1, and we'll add that to x plus 2, and we're supposed to get 657. Now we're going to solve for x. Keep in mind there's a 1 in front of each of these. Okay, so when I combine like terms, I get 3x. When I combine the 1 and the 2, I get a 3. So 3x plus 3 is equal to 657. Now we just solve the algebraic equation. Get rid of your 3. And now get rid of this 3. So I think I'll just slide this up a little. And you figure out that x is equal to 218. All right, but you're not finished yet. You figured out that x is equal to 218. So you take this 218 and you plug it in to your first box. All right, and lo and behold, no big surprise, your first integer is 218. You do the same for each box. You take your 218, you plug it in where x is, 218 plus 1, that's 219. And then you plug in 218 here as well. 218 plus 2 is 220. If you add these three integers, you will get 657. All right? So again, your first integer is 218, your second integer is 219, your third integer is 220. We'll look at the sum of two consecutive integers now. And they might refer to this as pages in a book. Okay, I could have 2 pages in a book that would add up to 519. Since there's only 2 of them this time, I'll only need 2 boxes. If I add them together, I'm going to get 519. I'm going to say that x is an integer, so I can just plug in an x here. You know, I think I kind of like labeling these boxes. We have 2 consecutive integers, so let's call this our first, and this is our second. All right, so if the first one we're just going to call x, to represent the second integer, we're going to need to add 1. So now if I add this box, I'm supposed to get 519. So that's where we get our equation from. X, I'll keep our red plus sign here. plus x plus 1 is equal to 519. Remember, there's a 1 in front of each x, so when I combine like terms, I get 2x plus 1 equals 519. Now, get rid of this 1.